check out this red light therapy kit I just got. So let's get this thing out of the box and see what's inside. Of course, you have your instruction manual. And this comes in a nice hard case as well. So this is completely portable. It's all protected if you put this in your luggage or wherever you want to take it with you. And the unit itself even has a bag that it's in. So the unit is pretty protected. This is all it's all rechargeable, and it comes with a charging cable, and it can be used plugged in or not plugged in. It's completely portable. This also comes with eye protection as well. So if you're using it on your face, it's not going to get into your eyes. And the power button is right here on the back. Turn this to on. It has a timer on here as well, and all the intensity, the red light intensity is also done here by the mode button. And there it is. You can definitely feel a little bit of warmth coming off of there. There are multiple modes. By just switching the mode button, changes the mode. And it's really nice. It's got little rubber grips here on the side where you can actually get a good grip on it. Well, I hope I helped you out.